Hello, my name's Mel, welcome to my world, and for those of you that are new to my channel, it's all about self-built campervans and campervan related stuff, and today's Wednesday, so this is Waffle on a Wednesday. Now whilst I film Waffle on a Wednesday, I'm going to answer one question I get asked quite a lot, and quite recently Tom Parks asked me, how do I do my laundry whilst I'm on the road? So that's what I'm going to be doing today, or I should say we are going to be doing today. And that is our laundry. So this is just for Tom Parks. Let's go, shut that door. So Tom, the answer is quite simple. All around the country and all around Europe in fact, you will find these lovely little laundrettes, normally in service stations and petrol stations. And here we go, just like this one here, and they're really simple to use. Oh look, somebody has left a sock in there.
Yeah.
Oh dear, that's unfortunate.
Pop it on the edge, yeah.
Yeah, let's put it over here, just in case they come back for it. Is it clean?
Yeah, it's clean.
So before you put your laundry in one of these, obviously make sure there's nothing else in there. Nobody else has left anything foreign. Some people use the bigger ones to clean horse blankets and stuff like that. So it's a good idea to check inside. Yeah, this one's got a few threads in there. Look, I'll just show you. Someone's obviously cleaned something a bit nasty in here, so you can see there's all this black stuff on here. So it's always worth bringing a cloth that you don't really need, just to give it a quick wipe out before you put your stuff in there. Rebecca's doing a fine job. Stuff it in the little one. The little one's only £4, the big one's £8. So we're going to see if we can get away with doing both our laundries in the little one.
I think we should do it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Sure.
There's loads of space. Honestly.
It says, look, maximum load.
Yeah, because there's still loads of space.
Yeah, if you squish it down, there's loads of room. Yeah.
It's not like it's compacted.
No.
I wouldn't want to put any more in than that.
Well, is it
Right.
locked?
Yeah.
Right.
Wait 4 seconds. So you have to watch, follow the directions on
Okay.
here. So we want it on 40 degrees. So I'm going to go to 40. It says please pay. Touch the screen to start.
Oh, I haven't got my money on me.
I've got it here. Choose your service that one. Would you like to add softener? No. Would you like to receive a text when your laundry is ready?
Yes, why not?
Please enter your phone number. Or should I do card?
Yeah, use card.
So we can use
I'll pay next time. Or
always
do you want me
keep
to
the
go and
cash
get my
for
card? Yeah, keep change for when you really need it.
Yeah.
Use your card as much as, just touch on it, it's contactless. There you go.
Wow, that's simple.
Simple. And the nice thing is, you can add fabric softener if you wish, and it comes with washing liquid is included, so you don't even need to buy laundry detergent. It's all included in the price. £4. Not bad, I don't think. Hello, we've got a problem.
No.
Is it working?
Yeah, it just says please go to recycle and press the button.
Oh right.
It's starting.
Is it starting?
Yeah, that's it.
It's done it.
38 minutes.
Oh, there you go. Oh no, you've got something caught in the seal.
Oh shit.
Oh shit on
That's
it.
my nice t-shirt as well. That's my expensive t-shirt.
Oh no.
Don't worry, I can't do anything about it.
There you go.
Don't catch a laundry
Rookie
in the
mistake.
door.
Nice t-shirt about to be ruined.
Yeah, I probably have a big pinhole in it now. Sorry, massive hole.
It might come loose. It's only a rubber seal. Well, give this video a thumbs up. Give Rebecca some encouragement, because it looks like she's about to ruin a t-shirt.
Yeah, and I've hardly got any clothes anyway, so I'll have to get another one now.
Oh, I've got a little surprise for you. I forgot, this reminds me of something. This reminds me. But we'll come to that later. I think, no, I'll save that for another video. Right, well, let's come back in. How long?
37 minutes.
37 minutes to film the rest of this video. Answer some more Waffle on a Wednesday questions. Let's jump back in the van. Wait for that text message. You sure it's working? It's going round, but I don't see no water.
Yeah, it's adding the water in as it's spinning.
Okay. Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Now I've seen some water, I'm happy. Let's go back in the van and we'll answer some Waffle on a Wednesday questions. Now, before I go any further, just a quick reminder, you've still got time to enter the Bluetti giveaway competition. And to enter that competition, all you need to do is leave a comment in the comment section of the video at the end of this video. Right, let's carry on with this Wednesday's Waffle on a Wednesday. I'm going to answer some of your questions. Now here's a question that I get asked quite often, and that is from Paul Bella. Hi Mel, just wondering, have you ever been told to move on late at night? And the answer to that is quite simple. No, I have never been asked to move on at night, because I try and park as discreetly as possible. Now the trick is to try and blend in with your environment. I mean, if you sleep in a lay-by at the side of a road, it's pretty obvious you're in your van and you're asleep. And that's one of the worst places to sleep. It's okay for me when I'm truck driving. I don't mind sleeping in my truck at night because I only need like a 45-minute kip. And that's a legal requirement if you're truck driving. But for someone in a camper van or a motorhome, one of the worst places you can actually park, I believe, is in a lay-by at the side of the road, because everybody knows you're asleep in your van. And the best place to park, believe it or not, is on a residential street outside somebody's house. Obviously it has to be quite a wide, quiet street, but if you park your van down a street, the chances are anyone walking past or driving past, they just see a van parked at the side of the road. They don't stop and think, oh, there's someone living full time in that van, there's someone asleep in that van. They just assume that that van belongs to someone that lives in that street. And that's exactly what we did the other night. We was looking for somewhere to park, and I found this little village. I look on Google Maps, I look at the road I'm on, just look along the road that I'm travelling along at the time, came across this little village, and at the end of the village was a big doctor's surgery and a big car park basically. And from looking from Google Earth, you can actually see that there are cars in that car park. So I thought we'll drive down to that car park, because it is opposite a church and it's opposite some houses as well. Just at the edge of a village it was, and sure enough, when we got there, and it was quite late, it was about 10 o'clock at night, there were like 3 or 4 cars parked in there. So those cars obviously belong to local residents. So me parking my van in that car park, it just looked like a van at the back of a car park, completely safe, no disturbances. But I did check that in the morning what time that doctor's surgery opened, and it opened at 8:30, so I made sure that I'd gone by about 7:30, and that way it don't cause any drama, so no problem. So that's what I could say to that. Just think about where you're going to park, be as discreet as possible, and try and find somewhere where there's other vehicles as well, and that way you just blend in. If you park in a lay-by, then you stick out like a sore thumb. Everyone knows you're asleep in that van. Yeah, and obey local bylaws as well. If there's a sign that says no overnight parking, don't park there. It's as simple as that. It really is as simple. Anyway, hopefully that answers that question. Well, the washing's finished. The big question is, did Rebecca's top survive? Just digging it out now.
Yes, it did.
Hey, thumbs up. The t-shirt survived. And we're going to put everything in the dryer now, because obviously drying stuff in a van is pretty awkward. We don't have a clothesline or anything like that. There goes my pillowcase. Don't worry, I've got another one. Simply transferring them. As you can see, somebody else is using the big one in the middle. Oh, looks like a pair of white fronts going around in there. We won't worry about that. As soon as you pay to wash it, I shall pay to dry it. Is that a good deal?
Good deal.
Right, so no, you can't do more than 15 minutes.
That's
Perhaps you have to keep playing over and over again. I think I did last time. I had to do like 15 minutes worth and then 15 minutes worth again.
Oh, okay.
Yes, we can change it on here. There you go, £6. That's 45 minutes. That should be dry then.
Yeah.
Yeah, because drying takes longer than washing, unfortunately.
Yeah, it does take a lot of time.
Right, so I've got to wait 45 minutes now. So time for a coffee, I think. Or ice cream. There's a shop there. Is that a shop?
Caravan shop. Oh, the garage, yeah.
Garage, yeah. So see if they can do ice cream.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's have ice cream. Well, there you go. If you like this video, do give us a thumbs up. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, please do consider subscribing. And why not consider subscribing to Rebecca's channel too. Don't forget to leave a comment in this video that I'm going to put up right here, right now. Ta-ra for now, and good luck next week in the Bluetti giveaway.